In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and cut parts of a video that you've added on the canvas. Whether you're working on a project for school, crafting a video for social media, or editing a family video, you'll find these steps straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive in. To begin with, you'll want to head over to your dashboard. If you're not there already, go ahead and open it up. From the dashboard, you'll see a couple of options available to you. What we're focusing on today is either creating a new design or accessing one of your recent designs. So once you're in your dashboard, simply click on the option that suits your needs, whether you're starting from scratch or revisiting a project you're already working on. Next, take a look at the duration option. You'll find that this is a key tool when it comes to trimming and cutting your video. By clicking on duration, you can access the timeline where all the magic happens. It's where you'll make the precise edits you need to shape your video into its final form. Now, once you've got the duration feature open, you'll need to select the page you wish to trim. If your video is divided into several sections or scenes, each one will be represented as a different page. Click on the specific page you're planning to edit. With the page selected, you can then drag the edges to trim the video to your desired length. You'll want to be mindful as you trim. Taking a little bit off can drastically change your video's flow. Gently drag the handles at the beginning or end of your clip until it fits the duration you're aiming for. A handy tip while you're trimming is to keep playback in mind. As you make these edits, periodically play back the modified sections to ensure the transitions are smooth and that no important content is accidentally chopped off. This can prevent you from having to backtrack later and allows you to make incremental adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how you've trimmed the selected section of your video, you're good to go. Your edits will help maintain attention on your video by removing any unnecessary portions and keeping your content concise and engaging. And there you have it. By following these steps, your video is not only well edited but also polished and ready for whatever audience awaits. Remember that mastering these trimming techniques will not only enhance the quality of your current project but will also set a solid foundation for all future editing work. Thank you for watching and happy editing!